Hey guys, it's Anissa. In today's video, I'll be talking about 2 products I've been using to recover my curly hair. So if you guys already subscribed, you guys know that I bleached my hair myself in like my last video, I think. But if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe or go ahead and check out the video. I'll put it up top and down below. If you guys clicked on this video, I'm sure you guys either have bleached hair or plan on bleaching your curly hair. And it can be a really scary thing, especially because I know like you're bleaching your hair. And honestly, I was scared not only to get it done, but to do it myself. So either way, it's scary because your hair can be damaged, and I know you guys have seen the horror stories. You've seen like the dead curls, damaged curls, and that's something that most curly girls worry about when they're coloring their hair. So in today's video, I've been talking about 2 products that have been helping me recover my curls. I've been using one of them for a while now, and one of them I just found out this last time I bleached my hair, and I'm loving it. Like, I think this really is on my list, and I'm for sure rebuy it. Like, I love it so much. So yeah, go ahead and keep on watching, really see the products that I use. Like, comment, subscribe, y'all know the deal, and y'all let's get into the video. Okay, so the first product I'm going to show you guys is the product that I've been using for a cool minute. It's Olaplex number 3. So it's the Olaplex number 3. This is a product that I've been using for a while now. And this is a pretty popular product, especially for people that have colored their hair. And I've seen a lot of people with curly hair use this. Olaplex is a like salon brand. Hairstylists use it to help recover curls. It's like a set that you're supposed to use in order, but this one is specifically for to repair and strengthen your hair, and this is for all hair types. This is basically like a bond builder. So when you're bleaching and coloring your hair, your bonds in your hair are literally like breaking. When you're bleaching your hair, you're literally stripping off the color on your hair, so that breaks the bonds. So this is a bond builder, so it helps build back those bonds and it helps protect your hair. It helps repair your hair from all that damage. When I use it before I wash my hair. So I'll put it on my hair before I even get it wet, before I even shampoo it. Like, I'm not even in the shower yet is when I use it. So I'll literally put this on my hair before I get in the shower, so I'll dampen it a little bit. Then put this on, let it sit on my hair for like 10 minutes, and then I will get in the shower and like shampoo, deep condition, do my regular routine. This just helps build the bonds, and honestly this has helped me so much because when I bleach my hair literally gets like so frizzy on top, and it's like it gets frizzier faster, so like my washing doesn't last as long. My hair just literally just isn't, it's not cute. As you can see, like I just bleached my hair like 2 weeks ago, and it's already looking pretty healthy and it doesn't look damaged like at all, and I bleached it myself, and I'm not even a hairstylist, but shit, I might be, because the way it turned out, man, I might have to go to salon school. I might have to go to beauty school the way my hair turned out. I might have to start taking clients, you know. Let me know, comment down below if you want me to do your hair. But literally this is it. Like I want to do a whole separate video just on this because I really think this has helped my curly hair. Let me know down below if you guys want to see a whole separate video on how I use it. And yeah, so the next product that I feel has helped, I'm so happy. I literally went to Target one day and was like walking around with my sister, and I saw this and I was like, that's interesting. So this is a Shea Moisture Strength and Color Care Mask. Shea Moisture Mask, and it has purple rice water in it with orchid and sweet violet extract. If you guys are familiar with my channel, I did do a rice water video, and rice water is basically a protein treatment, and it's the same thing. It helps rebuild your hair, it helps your hair grow faster, it helps rebuild your hair, it helps your hair be stronger and grow faster. So when I saw this deep conditioner, I instantly was like, I need that, because I love rice water. Rice water helped my hair grow so much, so why wouldn't I get it? Also, a big plus of this is it helps with the color of your hair. So if you did go blonde, it helps color maintenance in hair, so it's color safe, and it acts as a toner for your hair. I don't really know if I don't think it tones that good, but it doesn't hurt to use it, you know. And also the benefits of it is really good. So it is basically like a purple conditioner in a way. It smells amazing. Like, it literally smells so good, and it's really thick. Like, I can compare this to my Shea Moisture Strength and Restore True Mask. That is my #1 mask. I love it. I did a whole another video on that one. I'll link it up top and down below. This is a Mando. If you're blonde, even if you're not blonde, if you color your hair, like, rice water is really good for your hair. And the fact that it has rice water and it helps tone your hair, and it's good for your hair, it's thick, it's actually working. When I use this when I'm detangling my hair, it's literally like silky. Like, around I put in my hair, the tangles are like gone. It's just, my hair literally like sucks it all up. You can literally feel it. And actually, when I went to Target another time, this was actually sold out. So I think it's getting kind of popular, but I don't know if this is new or not. I literally saw the shelf and just grabbed it. Yeah, I think you guys should really check this out because I love it. Okay, so those were the 2 products I've been using to recover my curly hair after bleaching it. So let me know down below if you guys have any other suggestions you would like me to try for my curly hair and help recover and grow it, or any other videos you guys want me to do. Since now I have a camera, I feel like a real YouTuber now. I'm stepping up my game. Also got a laptop. I did vlog it, so I will be posting a vlog soon, and I'm so excited for 2021. I'm ready for 2020 to be over with. Even though I did learn a lot this year, I did grow a lot, it's just I'm ready for a new year, and I have a lot of goals that I've set that I'm going to reach. So just stay tuned, because my channel, we're going places. I'm putting it out there right now. We're going places. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.